Hello to all my dear students. Welcome to my channel. Today in this session, I am going to take a new subject and the subject is full of problems. Okay? And you love the subject very much. And can you guess which subject I am going to take today? It's a subject which is full of problems. And you like to solve the problems and like to practice the problems. So yes, it is a math subject. Okay, you call maths or math, it is same. So standard 4th Maharashtra State Board Geometrical Figures Chapter 1 we are going to learn about it today. So my dear students, just before going to standard 4th syllabus, I wanted to check your previous knowledge. Like in 3rd standard in math subject, first chapter was your geometrical figures. So you must have learned all the basic geometrical figures. Now like circle, then triangle, rectangle, square. These are the very basic geometrical figures you have learned. But when you are in the 4th standard, a little further you have to learn. Okay? So now in this chapter, the first topic which you are going to learn is angles. Okay? What you are going to learn? Angles. First, you try to understand what is angles. Okay? Now, before starting that, before telling you what is an angles, you just have a look around your room where you are sitting. Okay? You are sitting in a room, there are walls, there must be window panes must be there. Okay? You must be holding a textbook in your hand. So angles means, angles means when two lines meets together, it forms an angle. There is an angle. For example, if you just observe this board, okay, this one line and this one line is joining. So here it forms a angle. Here it is a angle. Okay, here this line and this line joins. Here also you can see there is a angle. Understood? Now, for example, if you take your textbook, if you see your textbook, so this side vertical line and horizontal line. Horizontal line meets together at this point, there is a joining point. So this forms a angle. Okay? And you can see this two marker pens I hold. This is one marker pen. This is another marker pen. Okay? These are like two lines. They are different. But when I join them together at this point it forms a angle. When I separate, there is no angle. This is a different one and this is a different. When I join them together at one point, it forms a angle. Understood, my dear students? Same way, another example, you can take here the two chalks. Okay? I'll show you with the chalk. One chalk, another chalk. But when I bring it together at this point, it is a angle. Can you see? Okay, the point angle is clear, all of you now. Okay, so what is an angle? Angle when two lines. Okay, now if I, for example, one line is here, one line is here, there are two different lines on a different places. There is no angle. Okay, it's just a line. But if I draw one vertical line and one horizontal line, now this line meets together at one point. So this is a angle. Here you can form a angle. Understood? When two lines joins together at one point is called an angle. There is a angle. Understood? So in your textbook, see angles. Here the picture is given on the page number 1. There are 4 pictures are given. Just see. First picture is of a ladder and the ladder and the ground meets together. This is a ground, and here there is a ladder. The students are playing. So here many angles are there. You can see here one angle. This side with the ground, this is ground, this ladder. Here this is an angle. Here this is an angle. Here also you can form one angle. This side also you can form one angle. Here also one angle. Ground and this. Okay. And we see angles between the ground and the slide. Okay. This is a slide. You can see a slide as well as the ground making an angle. And the second picture, the ladder. Okay. Ladder makes an angle with the ground. This is a ground, and the ladder makes, this is a house wall, and this is the ground makes an angle. Here this is the ladder and ground makes an angle. Okay. So here the door also there is an angle, you can see. Wall, this is a door, and a ground makes an angle. Now here we see angles between the tree trunks and its branches. Okay. The students are here, just see. They are standing under the tree, the trunk of the tree. Here one angle, here also one angle, you can see. These are the angles which we can form, we can see with the, on the tree there. Now here there is an angle between the electric pole and the ground. This is a ground here, electric pole, and this is a angle formed here. Understood? In our surroundings, whenever we see two lines meeting, there is an angle. When two lines meeting together, there is an angle. Okay. Now there are basic three angles. In grade 4 you are going to learn basic three types of angles. Okay, three types of angles. These are the basic three types of angles you are going to learn. Okay. So these are very important angles, very important chapter. Just pay attention, my dear students. Okay. First angle. First angle you are going to learn is a right angle. What it is? Right angle. Then second one is acute. A-C-U-T. Acute angle. Then third one is an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. These are the three angles which we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay. First one is these are the basic angle. There are different types of angles. As you go in the further classes, higher level, you can learn other types of angles. But these three are the basic angles which you are going to learn in the standard 4. The first one is a right angle. R-I-G-H-T, right? A-N-G-L-E, angle. The second type of angle is acute angle. A-C-U-T-E, acute angle. A-C-U-T-E, acute angle. The third one is an obtuse angle. O-P-T-U-S-C. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today's session. In my next session, I am going to explain all the three types of angles in brief, how the angles are formed, what things are used, what instruments are used to measure the angles and all. Okay, for today's session, thank you, and I request everybody to like, share, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.